Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today we will discuss about some problems from exercise 7.6. Your question is Nandini house is 9 upon 10 km from her school. She walked some distance and then took a bus for 1 upon 2 km to reach the school. How far did she walk? Okay, this is your question. Now, how will you solve this type of problem? Now, we will discuss. My dear student, this is Nandini house and this is Nandini school. Okay, and total distance between Nandini house to Nandini school is 9 upon 10 kilometer. Okay, Nandini house to Nandini school distance is 9 upon 10 kilometer. Okay, now according to question, some distance covered by Nandini by walk, some distance covered by Nandini by walk, and then after Nandini took a bus and reached the school. Okay, some distance covered by Nandini by walk, and then after Nandini took a bus and reached to school. Suppose this is Nandini house and this is Nandini school. Total distance is 9 upon 10 kilometer. According to question, from Nandini house to point C, Nandini house to point C, Nandini walk, and after point C, Nandini took a bus and reached to the school. Okay, now we will discuss what is the solution. Total distance from Nandini house to school is 9 upon 10 kilometer. Okay, and distance traveled by Nandini in a bus is 1 upon 2 kilometer. Distance traveled by Nandini in a bus is 1 upon 2 kilometer. According to question, in this question we will discuss about distance covered by Nandini by walk. So what will you do? In this question we will subtract 1 upon 2 from 9 upon 10. Okay, in this question we will subtract 1 upon 2 from 9 upon 10. Okay, so 9 upon 10 minus 1 upon 2, these two fractions are unlike fraction. Okay, and unlike fraction we will convert to like fraction. So what will you do? For this we will take out LCM of 10 and 2. Okay, LCM of 10 and 2 is 10 and 2 divided by 2. Okay, 10 divided by 2 it will give to you 5, and 2 divided by 2 it will give to you 1. Then after 5 divided by 5 it will give to you 1. Now LCM is 2 into 5 is equal to 10. My dear student, so LCM of 10 and 2 is 10. Okay, LCM is 10. LCM is 10. Okay, now what will you do? In 9 upon 10, numerator is 9 and denominator is 10. So 10 converted to 10. How? Look here. In numerator and denominator multiplied by 1. In numerator and denominator multiplied by 1. 9 into 1 upon 10 into 1. It will give to you 9 upon 10. Okay, then after this is 1 upon 2, and in 1 upon 2 1 is numerator, 2 is denominator. Okay, and denominator 2 converted to 10, denominator 2 converted to 10. How? Look here, in numerator and denominator multiplied by 5, in numerator and denominator multiplied by 5. Now look here, 1 into 5 upon 2 into 5, 5 1 ja 5, 2 5 ja 10. Okay, so 1 upon 2 is equal to 5 upon 10. Okay, then after we will subtract these two fraction. 9 upon 10 minus 5 upon 10, denominators are same. The meaning is these two fractions are like fraction, these two fractions are like fraction, that's why denominators are same. So LCM will be 10, LCM will be 10. In numerator what will you write? 9 minus 5. Okay, 9 minus 5 upon 10, this equal to 4 upon 10, 4 upon 10. Okay, 4 upon 10 is incomplete answer. Now what will you do? We will take out simplest form of 4 and upon 10. You know very well 4 and 10 divided by 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10. It will give to you 2 upon 5. So 2 upon 5 is simplest form of 4 upon 10. Okay, this is your required answer. So my dear student, the required answer of the given question is 2 upon 5 kilometer. The meaning is distance covered by Nandini, distance covered by Nandini by walk is, or distance traveled by Nandini by walk is 2 upon 5 kilometer. Okay, this is your required answer. My dear student, your next question is, now look here, in question number 8, Asa and Samuel have bookshelves of the same size partially filled with book. Okay, Asa's shelf is 5 upon 6th full and Samuel's shelf is 2 upon 5th full. Whose bookshelf is more full by what fraction? This is your question. My dear student, how we will solve this type of problem? Now look here, your solution is, suppose this is Asa bookshelf and this is Samuel's bookshelf. Okay, Asa bookshelf has 5 upon 6. Asa bookshelf is 5 upon 6th full and Samuel bookshelf is 2 upon 5th full, 2 upon 5th full. Okay, so what will you do? In this question we will take out whose bookshelf is more full, whose bookshelf is more full. This is Asa bookshelf and this is Samuel bookshelf. Asa bookshelf has 5 upon 6th full and Samuel bookshelf is 2 upon 5th full. So we will take out the cross multiplication. The meaning is comparing by cross multiplication method. Okay, now look here, 5 into 5 upon 5 into 5 and this is 2 into 6, 2 into 6, 5 5 ja 25, 2 6 ja 12, 5 5 ja 25, 2 6 ja 12. The meaning is 25 belongs to Asa bookshelf and 12 belongs to Samuel bookshelf. Okay, 25 belongs to Asa bookshelf and 12 belongs to Samuel bookshelf. So according to number it is very easy to you. Asa bookshelf is more full, Asa bookshelf is more full, that's why 25 is greater than 12. 25 is greater than 12. Okay, therefore Asa bookshelf is more full. Okay, now according to question, Asa bookshelf is more full, okay, by Samuel's bookshelf. But what is the fraction? But what is the fraction? So now look here, 5 upon 6 minus 2 upon 5. 5 upon 6 minus 2 upon 5. These two fractions are unlike fraction. Okay, and unlike fraction converted to like fraction. How? We will take out LCM of 6 and 5. You know very well, LCM of 6 and 5 is 6 divided by 2, it will give to you 3. 5 is not divided by 2, it will take here same number. 3 divided by 3, it will give to you 1. And 5 is not divided by 3, so 5 will be here. Again 5 divided by 5, it will give to you 1. After applying the short division method, we will take out the product of these three prime numbers. 2 into 3 into 5, it will give to you 30. Okay, LCM of 6 and 5 is 30. Then after, you know very well, in 5 upon 6, 5 is numerator, 6 is denominator. Okay, and the denominator 6 converted to 30. How? You know very well what is the multiplication table. So 6 5s are 30. Therefore, in numerator and denominator, multiplied by 5. 5 into 5 upon 6 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. Okay. Then after, your next fraction is 2 upon 5. In 2 upon 5, 2 is numerator, 5 is denominator, and denominator 5 converted to 30. How? Look here, in 2 upon 5, numerator and denominator multiplied by 6. 2 into 6 upon 5 into 6. 2 6 are 12 upon 5 6 are 30. 2 6 are 12 upon 5 6 are 30. The meaning is 5 upon 6 equal to 25 upon 30, and 2 upon 5 is equal to 12 upon 30. Okay. Then after, what will you do? We will subtract these two fractions. 25 upon 30 minus 12 upon 30. Okay. You know very well, these two fractions are like fraction. These two fractions are like fraction, that's why denominators are same. So denominators are same, that is 30. So LCM of 30 and 30 is 30. Okay. Then after, which number we will take in the numerator? 25 minus 12 upon 30. 25 minus 12, it will give to you 13 upon 30. 13 upon 30. The meaning is Asa bookshelf is more full. Asa bookshelf is more full by 13 upon 30. Asa's bookshelf is more full by 13 upon 30. Okay. This is your required answer of the given question. Okay. My dear student, your next question is, now look here. This is question number 9. Jaidev takes 2 and 1 upon 5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Okay. And Rahul takes 7 upon 4 minutes to do the same. Who take less time and by what fraction? Okay. My dear student, this question number 9 likewise question number 8. This question likewise question number 8. Okay, so we will apply the same procedure. We will do comparison between Jaydev and Rahul. Time taken by Jaydev in minutes, this is 2 and 1 upon 5 minutes, and time taken by Rahul in minutes, this is 7 upon 4 minutes. Okay, now 2 and 1 upon 5 is mixed fraction, and mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. How? Look here, we will multiply 2 into 5. 2 5 are 10, 2 5 are 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1 11 upon 5. 5 2 are 10 plus 1, it will give to you 11 upon this 5. So 11 upon 5 is improper fraction of 2 and 1 upon 5. Okay, now this is 7 upon 4. Okay, now we will do compare between Jaydev and Rahul. We will do compare between Jaydev and Rahul. We will apply the cross multiplication method. 11 into 4 and 7 into 5. 11 4s are 44, 7 5s are 35. You know very well 44 is greater than 35. My dear student, 44 is greater than 35. 44 is greater than 35. The meaning is Rahul takes less time. Rahul takes less time. So Rahul takes less time. So what will you do? In this question we will take out the fractional part of the less time. Okay, so 11 upon 5, this is 11 upon 5 minus 7 upon 4. Okay, the meaning is Rahul take less time but Jaydev take more time. So what will you do? 11 upon 5 minus 7 upon 4. Okay, and we will take out LCM of 5 and 4. We will take out LCM of 5 and 4. You know very well LCM of 5 and 4 is 5 is not divided by 2, it will take here same number. 4 divided by 2, it will give to you 2. 5 is not divided by 2, it will take here same number. 2 divided by 2, it will give to you 1, and 5 divided by 5, it will give to you 1. After applying the short division method, we will take out the product of 2 into 2 into 5. It will give to you 20. 20 is LCM of 5 and 4. Okay, then after what will you do? This is 11 upon 5, denominator 5 converted to 20. How? Look here, in numerator and denominator multiplied by 4. 11 4s are 44, 5 4s are 20. 11 4s are 44, 5 4s are 20. And in fraction 7 upon 4, numerator is 7, denominator is 4. 4 converted to 20. How? Look here, in numerator and denominator multiplied by 5. 7 5s are 35, 4 5s are 20. Then after what will you do? 44 upon 20 minus 35 upon 20. These two fractions are like fraction. These two fractions are like fraction. That's why denominators are same. That is 20. So LCM is 20. In numerator, what will you write? 44 minus 35 is equal to 9 upon 20. The meaning is Rahul takes less time by 9 upon 20 fraction. Rahul takes less time by 9 upon 20 fraction. Okay, my dear student, so this is your required answer of the given question. I hope that all these questions very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.